Welcome to a new Midjourney AI video. In this video basically we'll see how to upload an image to Midjourney via Discord and how to edit our own uploaded image. So let's get started. Actually, I already have an account of Midjourney. If you don't already have an account, I have another video for that. You can go through that video and get a new account for yourself. So as I already have an account, I just need to upload one of my image to edit the image. So I'm clicking on this plus icon. So here you get an option to upload a file. So I'm uploading my file to Discord server. So I have selected a file. So once you select your file from file manager, it will appear here, and then as soon as you click enter, it will get uploaded. So as you can see, it's 7 MB file, which is quite good quality. So let's see what we can do with it. So first of all, need to open this in a new tab so we can access the link for that file. So it's a Discord app link, and that's the most time we use. Other links may or may not work here, so that's why I'm using this link. So let's just copy this link and I'll come back to Discord Midjourney. And as you know that imagine prompt will edit our image or make it like AI generated. So I have hit the imagine prompt and now it's appearing there. So I have pasted the whole link for the image, and now I'll go with some commands. So let's make it some unique style. So I have posted the whole image link on imagine prompt. Now I can give some description for the output, for the AI generated output. So for that I'll make something like animated from the original one. Let's try some command. I'll type cool realistic. So basically I want to make animation out of it. It should look like a cartoon image. So for that I'm giving it some commands. Realistic cartoon. Let's enter Pixar as well to get the cartoonistic look, and after that I'll put 4K as well. So let's click enter, see what it creates out of it. First of all, let's search where is our prompt. Yeah, it is here and it's currently waiting to start. And see, this was a Discord app link, but as soon as you'll upload it to Midjourney, it will change to this kind of some URL, and it's totally normal. It works basically, it will basically work on this kind of URLs only. So yeah, it's working on it. Okay, so the output is here, and I think it has done a pretty good job. But this is an extra character it has added into this. We really don't need anything like that, but